Each industry has its own specific challenges when it comes to data integrations. But what are some of the challenges that manufacturing companies face? Along with the common integration struggles, things such as employee onboarding, ERP management, and cloud migrations, we've found that manufacturing has some singular issues around inventory management, specifically real-time inventory. SnapLogic is a leading iPaaS platform with over a decade of solving real-world integration problems for customers across multiple industries. SnapLogic is trusted by leading manufacturers such as Siemens, Schneider Electric, Crown, and Airborne. What are the specific integration issues faced by manufacturing?
We tend to see the same integration problems arise again and again within manufacturing. These can vary in scope and impact, but they're vital to the smooth running of the business operation. Issues such as production planning and scheduling, predictive maintenance, demand forecasting, and the one we're going to look at today, real-time inventory management.
When implementing RTI management, there are a number of factors to consider. There's the need for ERP, CRM, partner systems, and a whole lot of legacy tech to talk to each other and present a unified view. There's the need to keep up with constantly changing requirements from both suppliers and customers. And most of all for RTI, the need to do this without any time lag on the data. Unified view of data.
SnapLogic comes with a library of over 700 pre-built data connectors configured for integrating with specific technologies. So the integration team can build different integrations to applications and data sources with little to no development work. In addition, our powerful REST, OpenAPI, and SOAP snaps tap into the most popular standards for integration between applications. All of this means data from your entire estate can very easily be consumed and updated.
Changing requirements. Manufacturing can be a fast-moving industry. Responding to changes in requirements from suppliers, customers, even government regulations can mean the integration landscape needs to be nimble to keep up. That's where SnapLogic's approach can help. Our low-code, no-code platform has accelerators built right in, like our pre-built snaps, our AI assistant, and now our new SnapGPT functionality. This means the process of creating or evolving pipelines to meet changing demands is now quicker than ever. Real-time data processing. The most important component of RTI management is right there in the name, real-time. If your data is stale, you're losing the benefits of the approach, and what's worse, you're losing money. With SnapLogic, you can have an always-on integration platform offering sub-second latency with high throughput. Updates to inventory can be propagated across the organization with near instantaneous speed. Real-time integrations like this can help avoid lost sales and negative customer experiences by ensuring up-to-date data is always available where and when it is needed. Ready to learn more about how SnapLogic's integration platform can accelerate your organization? Request a demo by visiting snaplogic.com and our team will be in touch. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.